In 2023, I made a video on how you'll be able to make payment for your Apple subscriptions in Nigeria. And then that solution required getting ATM cards from fintech companies and being able to make payments in dollars. Now, this is 2025. Dollar rates are not smiling, so that alternative is not exactly good anymore. And then being stuck for over 2 years and unable to use that same solution that I gave you in 2023 to be able to renew payments for my Apple subscriptions, I've come up with a better method of being able to make payments for your Apple subscriptions in Nigeria using your Naira MasterCard, and this is it. Now, Apple ties the currency for your subscriptions to your Apple ID country. That's the country that is on your Apple ID is the currency that it's going to be. So let's say your Apple ID is wearing United States or America. That means that your subscription will be in dollars. So my subscription has been in dollars all these years because my Apple ID was bearing an address in the United States of America. So now what you're going to do is just go over to your settings, go to your Apple ID, and then change your settings change your ID from the country that bears the dollars or pounds, and change it over to Nigeria so that it automatically switches from your dollar to Naira, and then you can be able to insert your payment method using your Naira MasterCard. Remove everything that has to do with the dollar payment method. So I'm going to quickly show you a screen record of my phone while I go ahead and do it. Keep watching this video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. My name is Eberechi Igwe Obona, and I share lots of useful tips on sewing, fashion business, and other tech tips.
So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to go over to settings. When we go over to settings, you see your iCloud, your iCloud ID. So you just click on your Apple iCloud and media purchases. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this point. You see your payments, shipping. Just click on media and purchases. When you click on media and purchases, it would take you to the points where you'd see your media stuff, your purchases that you have made so far, and then you can start changing your ID country. Of course, it's going to ask you for Face ID if you have that set up. So you don't just go ahead and click on manage payment. There's a country that you would just click on country or region so that you'll be able to change your Apple ID country. So you click on change country or region. So it will give you a list of countries to change to. Mine is Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian, so I had to change over to Nigeria. So besides being a Nigerian, I'm actually in Nigeria, and I want my currency to be in Naira. So I've clicked on Nigeria, and I already changed it before making this video. So if you're to change yours, it's going to ask you to add payment method, which is in Naira. So when you add it, make sure you remove every other currency that's in dollars so that it doesn't keep switching to that alternative. So by the time you've already done that, you just scroll through. You can manage your payments, remove subscriptions you don't want to handle again. Then you can go back and save your settings. So now I'm opening to my Face app, one of my favorite apps, and my subscription fee is in Naira. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please like this video, subscribe and share so that other people too can learn.